Okay guys, give you guys an update. Today is January 9th. The motor is still how I left it. I'm waiting for a 4-piston. There was a mistake on the shipping. It went to the wrong person. I hope that person was honest and sent it back. Highly doubt it. But today, I still have some stuff I got to do to this motor. So, for instance, the VTEC screens. I want to show you guys how to replace those. So I got to flip the motor. Sneak peek, if you guys haven't seen, that is one of the all-wheel drive parts. Take a guess, I'm sure you guys know, but that is for the Integra. I'll open that up later. I just got that today, but my focus is on the motor still. Sorry. So the VTEC screens, I'm gonna flip the motor, show you guys where they are, and go ahead and get those replaced. There are issues of people having oil pressure issues or not capable of hitting VTEC. It's because those screens get clogged. So I'm gonna flip the motor and then I'll show you guys, all right? All right, I got the motor flipped now. It's still dripping some oil, but one of the screens is right here. So I'm going to assume it's just those 3 bolts. It comes right off. The other one, I have to remove this tensioner pulley, which is that bolt and that one to get to that. So I got to remove this guy. And yeah, so I guess I'll just start with the back, since the back's just right there. Easy peasy. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera for you guys, and you guys can see how simple it is for you guys to remove your old VTEC screens and replace them. Keep in mind, yes, it's out of the car, so it's probably a little bit more difficult when it's in the car, but at least you guys will understand how to do it. So that's my whole idea. You guys understand how to do it, so you guys can do it yourself. But all right, guys. Okay, guys, it is 10mm bolts. See if you guys can see it. Actually looks pretty clear. Doesn't look like it has too much gunk, but regardless, I'm going to get that replaced. So I'm going to put this off to the side and we're going to remove the back one, and then I'll show you guys the new parts. Alright, 12mm. So there's 3 bolts, guys. The one in the center and the 2 on the side. They're all 12mm. Now we just got to do those, which I think are the 10mm. Yep. So that's a little concerning. Let me see, let me get on the other side. This little metal piece, let me see, was in there. So who knows? Other than that, not all that bad. But then again, the head did get clean, so these may have got cleaned out also when they went through their process. I don't know, just a thought. But let me go ahead and get out the new ones and show you guys those. Okay guys, here goes the VTEC screen for this side. Let's see if you guys can get the part number on there. There goes the part number. It's for that one and for the one that was on the other side. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get these out real quick and just show you guys real simple on how it is to put them back on. Okay, so I got the old ones out. I did hit it with some brake cleaner to clean it off. Clean off the surfaces as well. And it's as easy as setting these guys in. And the new one over here. And that's it. And then just toss it back on, which I'll just do a quick little fast forward part for you guys to see the getting installed back on. But super simple, guys. That's it. So if you got low oil pressure or you're not hitting VTEC, double check those screens. Maintenance wise, I'm sure a bunch of our blocks nowadays have 100,000, 150,000 miles. Double check it. Maintain it. You don't want to wait until you do have issues, and you definitely don't want to wait till you have low oil pressure. But, alright, let me go ahead and slap these back on now. Now just so you guys know, I'm just threading these bolts here because I don't plan on putting that tensioner back on, the belt tensioner. So I'm just going to toss these guys here so I don't lose the bolts because I plan on getting that replaced. And then I will show you guys on the back side. Okay guys, there it is. That's how you replace the screens, the VTEC screens. I think they call them a little bit different. Spool filters? Spool valve filter. That's what they call it. But yeah, that's it guys. I ordered it from Jeff at Revline. Don't forget guys, he has given us a code for his website. It is 5% off when you spend over $100. That adds up when you think about your savings. The code is RS18, so RS18. That is the code. So if you guys need to go order some parts from him, go ahead and use that code, 5% off. That's what he's giving you guys. So, but other than that, guys, like the video, subscribe, share it. I'm just waiting on 4-piston. Wasn't their fault, they had a mix up. It is what it is. So as soon as I can put that on, I could do the timing, the valve lash. That's really it. I mean, this is practically done. And so pretty soon this will be in the Integra. The next videos to come. Yes guys, it's coming. All-wheel drive is coming. But I'll save those for other videos. And like I said, thank you guys. Subscribe, share the video. If you guys need a grounding kit, link is down in the description. That helps me out. And I actually do have stickers for this YouTube channel, which is also in my store. I would show you guys, but they're inside the house right now. And I'll save that for another video. But thank you guys. Hope you guys liked the video.